Howdy kids, got a little post-holiday haul here from our friends at Ulta, all drugstore. Keep watching, let's see what we got. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You are at Powder and Paint by Kim. We got some little drugstore beauties to go over in this video. I got a whole lot of lip to go over, but I think what we'll start with is this cute little palette from Makeup Revolution. It's their Icon palette. Let's check it out. Okie dokie. First item on the list is, I said Makeup Revolution, and I think now they've changed the name to Revolution Beauty. Anywho, this is Revolution Beauty's Icon palette. First time I have bought an eyeshadow palette from this particular company. I thought this color story was really cute. This is called the Enchanted one. Sells for $12. I have heard, I don't know that it's true, that this is supposed to be, I think, their take, I'm not going to say a dupe because it can't be a dupe, on Patrick Ta's palettes. And that it has two cream shadows, and the rest you have mattes and then shimmers and some that are more metallic and toppery. But let's take a look at this. I'm going to show some B-roll with me applying this. I will say that the stars of this palette are the two cream shadows. I'm in love with them. I love the way that they went on. They are so smooth. They blend, as you will see, beautifully. I just thought they were awesome. I usually don't use a cream shadow. So it was kind of nice. And I used that, as you'll see, and this is a different eye look than you're going to be seeing in the B-roll. But I used it almost like a primer, or for lack of a better word, a glitter glue. But I've got a different eye look here, but I really like the way that you use these cream shadows. I definitely recommend using the cream shadows first and then putting the shimmers or the toppery shades on top of that. I will read what we have here, the Icon palette, and it comes in 4 different color stories. And it says, introducing Revolution Beauty's latest in shadow innovation, has a high impact cream. There are matte and shimmers. 12 colors in all, very wearable, and it's a very wearable palette. I will say the shimmers and the toppers are just really, I call it a makeup topper. We'll look at this little pink color right here, and you're gonna see it, well, that kind of came off nicely, but to me it's more of a topper. I will say the gold that I am wearing comes off as a truer, there it is. Oh, that's pretty. And that comes off to me as a truer shimmer. And let's see, I will also swatch this little beauty right here. And I believe I used this color. That's very pretty. Mattes perform beautifully. I will say it doesn't have great staying great staying power. I felt like in application, the shimmers, there wasn't too much fallout, but as the day wears on, this is just one of those formulas where the glitter just, it glitters all over the place. So I'm going to give it a B minus. No, I'm going to give it a solid B. Not B plus, not B minus. We'll go right in the middle of the road. A B. But you can certainly create some really nice, lovely eye looks with this. $12, not bad. And then at Ulta, you of course can use your reward points and that sort of thing. So that's our cutie from Revolution Beauty. Again, this is in the color Enchanted. Before I move on, let me open this back up. Let me swatch a couple of the mattes. To be fair, let me move my sleeve down. But you will see, where did I put the other one? And there are some of the mattes. So again, a solid B palette, $12, not too bad. Patrick Ta, not a dupe, but formulated, or I'm not going to say formulated, created, trying to copy that. Just in that it has the two creams. Those are the star of the show. Really, really enjoyed those. All right. Oh gosh, I got a glare from the sunshine there. All right, kids, let's see. Let's move on to our mascara. And I'm picking up the wrong thing. Here I have Essence Without Limits Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. So this little cutie, again, I found at Ulta, and it is only $4.99, so $5. I have used an Essence mascara in the past, and I wasn't that crazy about it. I'm wearing it today. You're going to see in the B-roll me applying it. I have it in the 2025 popular color for the It mascara is brown. And I do like wearing a brown mascara. I got it in black and brown. Those are the two colors that it comes in. Again, it says it's volumizing and lengthening. And let's see, it just says, experience lashes that defy gravity with extra length and incredible volume with Essence Lash Without Limits, extreme lengthening and volumizing mascara. I would say it definitely gives the length. Volumization, so it's not bad. I like a little more a little more volume. If you watch my channel, you know I do like that. Overall, for $4.99, not bad. I will say, once again, with this product, it doesn't have the staying power. I find that it sort of, as the day wears on, if you gently rub, because I'm not going to mess up my eye makeup, but if you gently rub, but it flakes a bit. So that's the only downside to this, and it doesn't volumize as much as I would like. But for $5, not bad. I know a lot of other creators, content creators have really raved about this. So again, it's all very subjective. Anything in the beauty world is. So there is that. Now next, gosh almighty, we're going to talk about, we're not even going to go there. e.l.f.'s, I love these. This is their No Budge Matte Shadow Stick. Got this at Ulta. This is the color Bombshell. You can find this, I believe, on their website and Amazon. I got this for $2.50. It's no longer at Ulta, but you can find it for $5. I believe you can find this particular color as well as other colors at Amazon. And then, of course, on their website. I love these shadow sticks. Here are a couple of other colors I have. And they pack a punch of color. They go on beautifully. This is, again, Bombshell. It is what I'm wearing, and you'll see the application on my water line. I tend to like these chubbier stick eyeshadow sticks versus some of the other lip liner pencils for my waterline. I feel like I get more payoff with these. And certainly with these other colors I have, now I got to put my glasses on, kids, because, I'm not going to be able to read the name. I'm probably not going to be able to read the name anyway. Okay, so I do have two other colors that I want to show you, just so you get an idea. Out of Sight, took me forever to find the name. Par for the course. Again, these are magnificent in that inner waterline. They just glide, no tug. To be honest, I've never actually even used these as a shadow. I'm just so in love with them. This is Lava Lamp. Yeah, you guys can see that. Here, let me go again. They just glide. I love these. Again, these are on sale at $5. You can find them at Target. You can find them at Ulta. You can find them at Amazon. Lots of different colors. And then, of course, on e.l.f.'s website. So I got this puppy for $2.50. It's gone, of course, for $2.50. But still want to introduce you to these great little shadow sticks. Alrighty, what are we going to next? Let's go to lip liner. So I found this little cutie at Ulta, no longer at Ulta, but still at Colourpop's website. I adore Colourpop's lippy pencils. They're my favorite, bar none, hands down, high-end, drugstore, you name it. This is the top dog. They are so creamy and comfortable. These are their holiday hues. Again, they're on sale for $10 at Colourpop's website. And you've got 3 different colors, 5 stars, double tap, and me again. And you will see in the B-roll me applying these. Whenever I can find these at a great deal, I do, because I love them so much. There's nothing like it. I'm over here trying to take off the No Budge, and they don't budge. These shadow sticks. And I'm like, "Arr." So finally, after a bit of rubbing, but anywho, I digress. I come back. Our friends at Colourpop and their lippy pencils, I am absolutely in love. To me, you can't find a better lip pencil for the price. So you're getting 3 for $10. Amazing. There are times when I can find these for $2. I forgot how much I paid for these. Not that it matters because the sale at Ulta is gone. But again, you'll have, this is a pinky, they are calling it and considering it a pinky nude pencil. And it is. I love them. I think they are phenomenal. If you can get to Colourpop's website and get these for $10, it's a great price, a great savings for a wonderful lip pencil. I am wearing the color Me Again, but I also have it topped off with a lip gloss. So we're going to move over to that right now. Here we have Revlon's. This is a new product. It is their Glimmer Gloss. When I saw this online, I thought, oh, these are just gorgeous. Again, you're going to see the application with this. I fell in love with this glimmery gloss. I just thought it was so pretty. You can find this at Ulta. I'm not sure if it's in store right now or not. It looks... I'm looking and no, it doesn't look like these are available in store yet, but they should be soon, I hope, because they're awesome. I absolutely adore this. Now, the color that I have is the lavender one, Lavender Lust. It's gorgeous. You have to go online and look at how these look when you look at all the different shades. There she is. And it just gives the prettiest glimmer. It's not chunky, it's not sparkly, it's glimmery. And I am in love. I'm gonna get another color. When I initially put this on, it had a little bit of a funky taste to it. And I'm very picky about that. I don't like it. And I'm thinking it's because it's lavender. And I think it's supposed to be lavender, which a lavender taste can be a little bit florally, sometimes come across chemically. That's the only downside. Other than that, this is cushiony. It's comfortable. The glimmer is beautiful. It is a plant-based glitter and light refracting pearls for shimmering multi-dimensional shine, non-gritty and non-sticky feel. And all of that is just that. These are gorgeous. How many shades do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different shades. I'm going to get another one. They're lovely. So, so pretty. So, so pretty. All right, we are moving on. I'm going to let you get one more look at that. Gosh, that's pretty. All right, we are moving on with our lip products. I was, of course, looking at YouTube, and there was a creator there that had mentioned this new Essence lip oil. And again, I tend to not go to Essence. You know, shame on me. I equate price with quality, and that isn't, as we know, as Drugstore has really stepped up their game, that isn't always the case. So I wanted to try this Essence lip oil. It's $5. That's one thing I'll say. Essence prices are amazing. So again, you will see the application, and let's see, I'm trying to remember what color I got. And I got pink champagne. I believe that's right. Yes, pink champagne. Again, $5, 3 different colors. Has a nice big doe foot applicator. And there is its, so a decent amount of color. Again, with this one, I will say it had a funky taste to it. So that was kind of a turn off. I don't know if I've gotten used to it or just as I've opened it and time goes on, that has gone away, and it has. And this has got shine and moisture. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, which is great, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and meadow foam oil. So non-sticky, very lovely. For $5, a very lovely lip gloss. I really have liked it. There is its little swatch, and you'll see the application in the B-roll, but I give it a thumbs up, certainly for $5. I liked it a lot. All right, kids, we have got just one more item. This was a quick little haul. Save the best for last. And this is NYX IV Lip Oil and Lip Gloss and Stain. It's freaking awesome. I love this thing. Oh my gosh. And I've got the color Mauve and Moist, or Moist and Mauve. And amazing. This is so comfortable. Most lip stains can be so drying. And again, you're going to see in the B-roll my application. This is not drying at all. It is incredibly comfortable. I have absolutely loved it. You'll also see here where I've put it on, but then I went out and I ate, drank. It was hours later, and you can actually see the stain that this provides. I kind of put this on, not kind of, I do, almost every morning. It gives me the gloss and the comfort that I want, and also then as the day wears on, I've always got this lovely little color and stain. This has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like 16 different shades. Phenomenal. Sells for $12. You can find this at Ulta and of course at NYX's website. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I don't know if Target has it, but this is, they're calling it their Lip IV, is designed with water-breaking technology for lightweight, it is lightweight, intense pigment. And it is intense. It's phenomenal. Infused with magnesium, vitamin B12, and lip-quenching coconut water, gives great wet shine, as you'll see in the B-roll, and leaves a very natural-looking lip stain. Great hydration, great comfort, and then you get this beautiful stain afterwards. Here, I will swatch it on the back of my hand. You know me, I like my color. And you know what, just for, you know what, I was going to put some on, but I'm not, because I like this lip look I've got right here. But here is the stain. It's awesome. Again, it's astounding how creative, how innovative that the drugstore drugstore makeup companies can come up with such phenomenal formulas. Again, quite innovative. Very comfortable, very hydrating, and then you get this fabulous comfortable stain at the end. I'm going to be getting another one of these. Again, $12, and I believe it comes in about 16 other shades. And there we have it. Another day with Kim and powder and paint and looking at makeup. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do for 2025, what my little shtick is going to be. We shall see. But for now, I thank you for joining me. I hope you found this fun and helpful to get some different ideas out there from some of our drugstore makeup finds. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go on out there and act like you're somebody, because you are. You're someone special. I thank you for joining me. Still trying to hit that 200. I didn't make it for the new year. God knows I tried. All right, my friends, thanks again for joining, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.